Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Has your brother printer stopped printing in black? Even after the black ink slot has enough ink? This could be due to a clog in the ink slot, pending print jobs, or an outdated printer driver. In this video, I'll walk you through different methods to fix the issue. For instant solution, you can also call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, follow my instructions to get the black ink running again. Method 1. Clean the black ink. On your printer, press the menu button. Go to Maintenance and press OK. On the next screen, scroll to the cleaning option and press OK. On the next screen, select black ink. Now, press the Start button. After that, wait for the cleaning to complete. If you find these steps easy to follow, please subscribe to our channel. If your printer is still not printing in black, let's cancel all the pending print jobs. Method 2. Clear print queue. On your desktop, click on the search bar. Search for and open the printers and scanners. On the Bluetooth and devices, click on the brother printer for which you want to cancel the print jobs. On the next window, click on the Open Print Queue. In the Print Queue window, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Select the Cancel All option. In the little pop-up, select Yes. Note, I recommend you restart the computer after clearing pending print jobs. If you're facing other printer issues, please let us know in the comments section. Let's try updating the printer driver to fix the issue. Method 3. Update printer driver. First, open your web browser and search for Brother Printer Driver according to your product model. Now, open the official Brother Support website. Check if the detected operating system is correct. Scroll to the driver section and click on the latest printer driver. On the next page, review the license agreement and click on Agree to EULA and Download button. Press Ctrl+J to open your downloads, then click on Show in Folder. Double-click on the file and click on Run. Once the decompression is successful, click on OK. Go to Start menu, then search and open Device Manager. Scroll to other devices, then expand it. After that, click on the printer you want to update. Click on Update Driver Software. In the Update Driver Software window, click on Browse My Computer for Driver Software option. Click on Browse. Locate and select the decompressed file and click OK. Click on Next to install the printer driver, then wait for it to update. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.